He swings and he misses. It's 1 ball and 1 strike. Steps out away from the plate, collecting himself, now climbing back in. Prado off the bag at first base, 1 out, infield a double play death. Wells has the sign, straightens up on the Turner Field mound, and comes to the plate. And that one's a foul out of play, and the count goes to 1 ball and 2 strikes. So he gets ahead of the hitter.
Chipper not real happy with himself there. He felt like he probably should have hit that ball middle away, about thigh high. Well, he was late. He was dead late.
Brian McCann waiting on deck. The ball tucked behind his right hip. Sights a sign from Craig Tatum.
I gotta put my seatbelt on.
Comes back to Chipper Jones, and this is in. 2-2. 2 balls and 2 strikes. Final game of the year between these two clubs will take place right here at 1:35 tomorrow.